Avogadro's law describes the relationship between volume and amount of gas. And the amount of gas is the number of moles of gas. And we look at this one as temperature and pressure are constant. The easiest way to look at this law, the relationship between amount of gas and volume, is to think of something we use pretty commonly, a balloon. If you inflate a balloon, you blow into the balloon, and the balloon's volume increases. As you add more and more air, so you're blowing air from your lungs into the balloon, the volume expands, and that actually keeps the pressure the same. The pressure inside the balloon and the pressure outside of the balloon is the same, 1 atmosphere. But all you're doing is adding more moles of gas to the inside of the balloon, which increases its volume. But why does this happen? Well, first you can think about it as, well, gas is matter. Matter has volume, it takes up space, so if you have more matter, it takes up more volume. The simulation will show us that relationship from the particle point of view. As we add air to this container, add gas, we add more particles. Those particles collide more with the sides of the container, and if we allow the container to change size, its volume is going to increase. There are more particles. The more particles we add, the larger the volume of the gas, because particles take up space and more particles bounce off each other, spreading out even further. So as the moles of gas increase, so does the volume of the gas, and if the moles of gas decrease, so does the volume of the gas. This again is an example of a direct relationship. The equation for Avogadro's law is V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. Volume must be in liters, and N is moles. In this equation, you solve for a variable just like you do in all of the other laws. Label each variable appropriately, and then solve for the one that's missing.